Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. I am one of the applicants. My name is Ferdinand Ryan.
Good morning, Mr. Rhino. So let's start our interview. So this is your first question. Can you tell me about yourself and why you want to become a teacher?
I am a newly graduated education student who is passionate about helping learners to grow academically and personally. I want to become a teacher because I believe education can change lives, and I want to inspire students to reach their
Okay, so number two. How would you handle a classroom with diverse learners or students with different abilities?
I will use different instructions by adjusting my teaching methods based on student needs. I will provide varied activities to support the strong learners and give challenge advanced students to ensure everyone can learn.
Okay, very good. Okay, number three. What teaching strategies or methods do you use to make your lessons engaging and effective?
I use interactive strategies such as word activities, real-life examples, visual aids, and questioning techniques. I also incorporate games and technologies to make lessons more interesting and meaningful.
Okay. So this is the last question, Miss. Number four. How do you handle difficult students or classroom discipline issues?
I handle discipline with patience and consistency. I set clear rules, communicate respectfully, and try to understand the student's behavior. I also use positive reinforcement and guide them toward their goal.
Oh, okay. Very good, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning. Let's start our interview with your first question. Can you tell me about yourself and why you want to become a teacher?
Good morning, ma'am. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Fatima Arlis Orizaldo, and I am a very passionate, patient, and understanding kind of person. I love to learn, explore, and discover different kinds of things, like different kinds of ways of engaging students. I want to become a teacher, of course, because it is my dream profession, and I also want to help children to discover their different kind of skills. I teach them a lot of information, knowledge, vocabulary they deserve to know, and be their guide or role model to teach them become a better or good person or a good version of themselves in the future.
Okay. Next question. How would you handle a classroom with diverse learners or students with different abilities?
I will handle it by understanding and believing that every student learns in different ways, and I will use different kinds of teaching methods like visuals, words, and simple explanations so all students can understand the lesson. I will also give extra support to students who need help and encourage everyone to participate.
Okay, next. What teaching strategies or methods do you use to make your lessons engaging and
To make my lesson more engaging, I will use different kinds of activities like group discussion, games, and use real-life examples to make my lesson more interesting. And ask questions to the students if they understand the lesson or not, and explain it to them in a way that they will easy to understand, and encourage them to share their ideas. This helps students stay active, understand better, and enjoy learning.
excellent one? Last question. How would you handle difficult students or classroom discipline issues?
I will handle difficult students by staying calm and patient. First, I try to understand the reason behind their behavior. Then I talk to them respectfully and remind them the rules. I also use positive reinforcement by praising good behavior to encourage them to improve. If needed, I will ask help from the parents or school faculties and school authorities.